It is once again time for the Law on You with the area's premier attorneys Fellerman and Ciarimboli. What is tonight? All Hallows Eve?
I'm not a Halloween fan.
Mischief night. That's what I remember today.
You got your toilet paper ready? There's a shortage.
Eggs, toilet paper. Just never been a Halloween fan.
Okay, the silly string.
Yes.
Well, Carlos in Scranton, you have filed a claim after an accident, but your insurance company is refusing to pay it out, even though you followed the process, and you're wondering what the guys can do. So, Ed, what's Carlos should do?
So, Carlos, depending on what the accident was, we probably need a little bit more information, but this is going to fall into a category of what's called a first-party claim. And there's remedies under that, both to get paid out on the claim, and then if the insurance company is wrongfully denying the claim, then you could also have what's called a bad faith claim, because the insurance company must treat you as they would treat themselves. They must put your rights on equal footing as their own, and if they're not doing that, then they can be liable for what's called bad faith in Pennsylvania. So there's a number of things that you could do. Just need a little bit more information to kind of guide you in the right direction.
And I think, it's not very clear what you're asking, but I think when you have these types of, I believe anytime you're in an auto accident or you're hurt somewhere, you really should pick up the phone and call and get some legal advice, because when you start dealing with insurance companies by yourself, remember, the person you're talking to is skilled and they're working against you. Even though it's your insurance company, another insurance company, they do not have your best interest at heart. You need strong advocates like us to help you get through this. And sometimes we just help, but you need the help.
Yeah, if you wanted your question answered just like Carlos, all you have to do is visit the websites or give the hotline a call.